Closing arguments begin this morning in the Frisco track meet stabbing trial. Carmelo Anthony is charged in the death of Austin Metcalf last year. His attorney says Anthony acted in self-defense. The defense rested its case yesterday, and jurors were told to pack an overnight bag in case they don't reach a verdict today. Cole Sullivan has more on the testimony the jury did not hear.
The defense is over in the murder trial for the stabbing death of Austin Metcalf, and Carmelo Anthony will not take the stand in his own defense.
As we all know, you don't have to, right? There is no burden on the defendant to prove anything in any criminal case.
Bree West is WFAA's independent legal expert inside the Collin County Courthouse. She says it was likely a tough decision whether Anthony would testify about self-defense, then face veteran prosecutors on cross-examination.
Whether or not his story is perfect or not, as he walks through it with his own defense attorneys, when he gets cross-examined by the prosecution, the question is, am I going to be able to hold up?
His defense attorneys cross-examined prosecution witnesses in previous days and called 5 of their own. Several witnesses have had different variations of what happened at that track meet last year.
I think that came across to the jury, where they were sort of understanding that there was no way to know what was going on. And I think that ultimately that's going to fare very well for the defense.
The judge told the jury to pack an overnight bag. If they can't reach a verdict after closing arguments Tuesday, he says they'll stay at a hotel at taxpayer expense until they can.
They need to be able to be focused and without sort of outside influence when they're making a decision.
The judge could also rule whether to allow the jury to consider a manslaughter charge or only decide whether Carmelo Anthony is guilty of murder. Reporting from Dallas, I'm Cole Sullivan.